In today's topic, we're going to learn about cool bars. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into Unity and make those bars. In Unity, I have set up a basic scene with the main camera and some UI. Pretty normal setup. Nothing fancy. Moving on, right-click anywhere on the hierarchy and create an empty game object. Set its name to controller. Click on Add Component, New Script, and name it Cool Bar. Double-click on the script to open up Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, the first thing you need to do is to add the Unity Engine.UI and TM Pro namespaces above the class. The next thing to add is the bar HP. Public is where we declare its initial health, and the private one will be the one we will use. Next thing we will do is to create an average HP where we will get the quotient of our current HP to the initial HP. Wait, what? You get the average of the current and starting HP? That's a lot of HPs. HPception. Moving on. Get the reference of the HP text and the field bar, and it is on. After we set up the start method. Inside the method, set the bar HP equal to the initial bar HP, set the HP text to the int value of the bar HP, set the fill amount equal to the average HP. Yeah, in update, we will just check if the left mouse button is pressed, we reduce the bar. In the reduce bar method, we just reduce the bar HP with the float damage. I then move the text and fill bar into a separate method and name it UpdateUI. Lastly, I created the float bar damage and feed it in the reduce bar method. Now if you save it, put the text progress in the HP text box, put the cool bar into the fill bar, set HP to 100, set the bar damage to 10, click on play. You will see that it's working when you left click, but the value still goes beyond negative. To fix that, check if bar HP is less than or equal to 0, you set HP bar to 0. When you play it, the bar goes kaboom. 0. Now that we have a working bar, we can actually stop here. But since we want the cool bar, let's add something cool. Back in the code, create a float variable called bar speed and set it to 10 by default. I then adjusted the code in the update UI to Lerp so that the values interpolate over time. Lastly, I removed some code in the start method and placed the update UI below the if statement in update. If you guys have a better way of implementing this, please drop a comment down below. Now if you played this, you now have the cool bar. Nice!